Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of an all-over pickup. If you watched my last video, you saw, sadly, that I lost my family dog recently, and this was kind of after my few days of completely grieving and just not doing anything. So the house needed to be picked up, plants needed to be cared for, laundry needed to be done, so that's what we're doing today, so let's just get into it. So first thing I did, which is not super fun to do, is I deep cleaned my diffusers, which I like to do this. I would like to do it like every 2 weeks, but I don't know if I actually do. But what I learned to do is just fill up the base with just alcohol. You want to cover that like metal plate with alcohol, let it sit for 3 minutes, and then I just use my Young Living Thieves Cleaner Concentrate, which is a capful of that larger bottle, into this glass bottle, filled the rest up with water, and then I have some like pine and citrus fresh in there. So I dump out the alcohol and then I just give it a good clean with the Thieves Cleaner, and I use Q-tips to get around that metal plate at the bottom, because again, that's kind of what's controlling your scent throw in the diffuser. So I can always kind of smell when mine start to need like a cleaning, so I try to do this as much as I can. And then I'm just wiping everything out. I use a lot of citrus oils. There's a lot of like orange gunk everywhere, and I do my best to get it out. Some of them are a little bit stained, but once I clean them, they smell much better when I'm diffusing them. So I'm just trying to give them a good clean. All of these are Young Living diffusers except this purple one closest to the right. That is a doTERRA diffuser. And yeah, so I am just cleaning all those out. I wanted to get that done at the top of the day of cleaning because I like to diffuse oils as I'm cleaning in each room because it just makes me feel motivated and happy. So yeah, once that was done, I am moving on to the bedroom and I am making the bed. And if any of you are wondering where Bradley is during this video, he was out of town when I filmed this, so it's just me today cleaning. But yeah, I am making the bed, putting on the bedspread and the pillows and all that crap. It's much harder to make the bed alone, but here I am doing it. Putting on all the pillows and Mr. Toad and my little strawberry pillow. Then I'm just picking up this little side table with my remotes, and I have some oils left over from the night before. And yeah, we're gonna get some oils diffusing in here. I recently won in some sort of contest this oil. It's called Harmony. It's amazing. It smells so nice. It smells kind of like Dreamcatcher, but less hippie-ish. It just kind of smells like a nice perfume. I totally love it. So I like that for the bedroom during the day. So I am diffusing that in my Desert Mist diffuser. And then we are going to get to laundry, I believe is what the next clip is. And we're not going to know yet because I was letting the ambience of the diffuser soothe you. But yes, laundry is now. So I had a lot of laundry to do. I did pretty much all the laundry in the house. So I did my clothes first and I'm just sorting them. I said I was going to do a laundry routine. I still haven't, so I guess this can suffice as a miniature laundry routine. I wash most of my clothes hang dry because I don't want them to shrink, and I don't know, I just find that clothes last longer when you hang dry them. But then I'm also doing all the linen laundry, so all the dirty sheets, towels, just any sort of linens around the house. I even washed a couple blankets, but I'm just going around the house gathering all of the towels and laundry. And I've been using the Young Living Thieves laundry soap. I'm gonna have to report back how I feel about it because I still don't know. I use these Mrs. Meyer's laundry scent boosters in my linens only because they smell amazing. And then this is the more natural bleach I've been trying on our white towels. And then I do still use dryer sheets. I know that everybody says they're the most toxic thing, which if you know why, please tell me. But I do really like these Method mango ginger, I think they are, dryer sheets. They smell so good and I just really enjoy them. So I'm going to use these up, then maybe I'll switch to the dryer balls that I just recently bought, which I think you'll see later in this video. But yeah, I am just dusting away after we start the laundry. We're going to start the cleaning. You guys have seen me do this a million times, but I'm just starting with my Swiffer duster, dusting everything, and then I'm going in with my Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. I have pretty much switched over to my Thieves Cleaner for everything except for this. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this because I just love the effectiveness of it. It makes it really shiny, as you can see. I'm just putting my little cactus back and I am giving it a nice watering because it needs it. So yeah, watering that. And then I'm moving over to the bedside table, taking everything off. I tried to balance my diffuser on my bed, which worked, but it was risky, but it worked. So yeah, I'm just doing the exact same thing. Dusting, cleaning with my Wood for Good Daily Cleaner. I'm just using a weird rag because all of my cleaning rags were in the washer, so that was poor timing, but that's okay. Then I'm just putting everything back, and I also decided to clean out my little earring tray. This is a little jellyfish. I get a lot of questions about it. It's from Anthropology like 6 years ago, so I apologize, it's not available anymore, but it is so cute. And then I'm putting all my earrings back in pairs just to make sure that I didn't lose any, because as you saw, I dropped one on the floor, but when I put them all back, they were all there, so we're good. And now everything is nice and dust-free. Then I'm moving over to the other side of the room, where I'm going to do the exact same thing on Bradley's side table. As you can see, my hanging plant is doing amazingly well. I do need to get a different like hanger for it. I should do that today because I keep putting it off, but look at it, it's thriving. This plant, however, is not thriving. This is one of the ones that died, and it's pretty sad. So I just wanted to show you, not all my plants are thriving all the time. I kill them as well. So that one had to go. I took the Chinese money plant to get a good watering in the sink. Then I'm just going to dust this. This furniture piece gets so dusty, and especially like all the cable boxes and Wi-Fi box, it just is always such a dusty mess. And I like to dust like down around the furniture as well. And then again, use my Method Wood for Good cleaner on everything. Shouldn't have used it on the mirror, but I'm going to come back in with some Windex in a minute. But after I put my plant back, here's what it looked like. I wanted to show you I had new growth, and I'm excited about it. I love this plant. I love the way it looks so much. So I'm just going to pop that back on top of the jewelry box where it lives. Then I'm going to be cleaning the windows. Nope, these aren't windows, they're mirrors. And I'm just going to be using up this bottle of Windex, and then I'm not going to be repurchasing it because I love my thieves on mirrors and glass, actually. So yeah, I'm just trying not to be wasteful and just use this up, and then I won't be rebuying Windex because thieves is streak free as well. So yeah, cleaning all the mirrors in the bedroom. Then my first load of laundry was dry, so I'm folding all of these towels. These are the Charisma brand from Costco, but if I can find them on Amazon, I'll link them down below because I love them so much. They're so fluffy and big and just the best. So I am folding up the ones that need to go in the cabinet, and then I'm doing the special fold for the decorative ones that go in the bathroom, and I'll hang those up later. But literally all of my laundry was done. So this is how I hang dry my underwear. Here's all my underwear. So I just put it on a laundry basket. I hang dry my like bathing suits and bras like this as well. I just put it all, hang it over a laundry basket. They do have to be overlapped, but then I've set it by the window, and either the breeze will dry it if the window's open or the sun will. And then I'm just hanging up all of my clothes. Like I said, I hang dry literally probably 85% of my clothes. I don't know, it works for me. So yeah, I am doing that, which is taking forever. It's always the worst part, but it is nice because then when Bradley's putting away all of his laundry, mine's already done because I just have to hang it back up in the closet. So yeah, hang drying everything. And then I am going to fold my already dry clothes, but as you can see, it's a very small pile compared to everything else. It's just mainly PJs and like workout clothes. So I'm folding all that, putting all that away. And then we are going to throw in another load of laundry. I decided to do the mats around the house. So the 2 bathroom mats, the front door mat and the back door mat. So just picking those up. Gonna put them in the washer. I always like to do like a lot of laundry when I'm having a heavy cleaning day because it just, you know, if I'm there cleaning, might as well be doing the laundry. Then we're moving into cleaning the bathroom, and like I said, I'm hanging up those towels on our little towel rack there. And I'm gonna do something that I love doing because I find it so effective, and it's all natural, which is cool too. But I'm going to be washing or cleaning the nasty shower head. Mine turns like pink. I'm sure it's some sort of mildew or grime or whatever. But all you do is fill a bag up with vinegar and like some water. It doesn't smell great, but you do that, and then you, as you see, tie it around the shower head and just let it sit. And as you can see, all like the little pink flecks are like loosened and they're floating around in there. And I usually let it sit for like 30 minutes. I cleaned the shower, as you quickly saw, but I am now diffusing some lemon essential oil. I've been loving diffusing lemon lately. I prefer jade lemon, but they are out of stock of that, and I'm trying to ration mine out. So just diffusing normal lemon today. Then I'm going in to clean the mirror, again with the Windex, and yeah, just getting that nice and clean because Bradley always gets water all over the mirror. Then I'm cleaning the sink and the sink area. I like to do a little bit of a dust first, and I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint one in here because I have like 5 bottles of these, so I'm trying to use them up. But again, I would probably just prefer thieves at this point. Dusting my bath bomb jar, cleaning the little tray I keep my toothbrushes and stuff on, and I do like to clean that cup that is holding my toothbrushes as well. And then I am just cleaning the rest. Look how nasty the sink is. Like, my goodness, this really needed to be cleaned. So yeah, cleaning everything, you know. Not much to say about it. Dusting, wiping, cleaning. I am going to do the toilet as well, which is no fun. One of like the only like non-toxic things I still use for cleaning is the Clorox toilet wands. I'll give them up someday, but they're so effective and they're just so easy. You just pop the thing on the end of the stick and you clean it and it gets so clean and you don't even have to like really get in there. It's amazing. So yeah, then I'm going to put up a new towel, a new hand towel, and then I decided to clean out the cabinet because there was a lot of like extra product I wasn't using, and it could just use like a wipe down. So that's what I'm doing, taking everything out, putting products away that I might not be using right now because again, it was product overload. It still is, and I think I've added even more since this video, but that's okay. So yeah, just organizing, cleaning everything, and then I'm taking off the vinegar situation. I let the shower run for a minute just to kind of get the vinegar out of the like water spigots. And then I'm just going to clean it with that Mrs. Meyer's peppermint thing. And I don't know if you can see, but it's like completely sparkling new. There's no pink on it at all. It's always great. So I love doing that. That's one of my favorite Pinterest hacks that I've ever found. I'm putting my little shower caddy back. And then I'm doing something that I never do, and that's clean the windows. And I told myself like, oh, I'll go out on the other side and clean the windows out there too. But I haven't done that yet. So maybe today, but probably not. But I'm just cleaning the windows again with my thieves cleaner because I really find that it's not streaky and I love the way it smells. So I'm cleaning both sets of the windows. Eventually I'll get to the ones outside. And I did clean the living room as well. I just didn't show it because I feel like I just did that deep cleaning video of the living room. So if you want to watch that, I'll link it up in the corner. But then every day I feel like this table is a mess. Even today I feel like it's a mess. Oh, these are my dryer balls that I got at Trader Joe's that I wanted to show you that I forgot to use while doing my laundry, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm just picking up the table. This is where we tend to stash our mail and just random things. I had bought these clobber gobbers or corn holders. I don't know why we call them clobber gobbers, but we do. Just some pants that were air drying. I had this Yankee Candle catalog, which I did place an order, let me just tell you. And I decided to clean the fruit bowl, just pick up anything on this table, and I was also going to give this table a good clean. But I'm cleaning out the fruit bowl itself with my thieves cleaner and just giving that a good wipe down, reorganizing the fruit. One of my favorite things to do. Little fun fact. Then I'm going to clean the table again with the thieves cleaner because I love the way it works on glass. So yeah, just giving the table a nice good scrub. Then I'm going to put the fruit bowl back, and then I'm going to go over to this little side area because this plant kind of got this area messy, and I'm going to use my little duster buster or my hand vacuum and I'm just going to vacuum everything up, and I'm going to give it a good wipe down in a second. But this is my thyme plant that I just planted in this little mushroom planter. It's doing pretty good. I do have some dead like stems I need to pull off, as you'll see, but for the most part it's doing really, really well because it gets sun most of the day. But I just am having like an obsession with thyme, so I decided I wanted to plant some immediately, and I just love the way it smells. It's so, so good. Then I'm moving over to my shelf area, which I don't know if you've seen this yet, but we hung some shelves. We put this shelf over here for more plant and just storage, but mostly it's plants, let me be real. So I'm taking everything off of it, cleaning it again with my thieves cleaner, and just pulling any dead leaves off the plants that are on here. I like that plant because it reminds me of a mandrake from Harry Potter, and I planted this pothos in the Alice Wonderland teacup, and my hope is that it will start to drape over the side of the shelf. And then below it I have this I think it's called a pink butterfly plant or something. It's my favorite plant I own. I love it so much. And then I am just giving the kitchen a good tidy up, a clean. I don't even know what's on the counter there. Like, can you see that? I don't know what that is, but I'm doing any dishes that need to be done, cleaning the counters. Thank goodness I picked up whatever crap was on the counter, and cleaning the sink, cleaning the stove, and again, using the thieves cleaner. I love to use the thieves cleaner in the kitchen. It smells like Christmas. But yeah, just cleaning up everything, even the stove, and then I am going to vacuum. I vacuumed the entire apartment, but I didn't show you. But yeah, guys, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this. If these cleaning videos are getting too repetitive, just let me know. But I always enjoy watching them, and I also enjoy making them. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more cleaning videos, I will link my playlist up in the corner. But otherwise, I love you very much. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.